back to my channel. So today is a moving video. This is a moving day vlog. We actually got the keys yesterday. We went to check if everything was good, and if you didn't watch my last video, I did mention that one of our big news is that we're moving. We wanted more office space and a smaller warehouse, and that's what's going to happen in the next couple of days. So I'm going to take you along and we're going to hang out and kind of see how we move. So what's different about this move compared to our move in the beginning of this year is that we can slowly move our stuff. We have the space, both spaces, until the end of December. So we're going to move the core items this week and then slowly move the stuff that we've been having for a while and kind of figure out what we want and what we don't want and go from there. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. So the first thing we're going to do is going to do a mini tour of the space. There is a little bit of stuff in there already, but I just wanted to share what's inside there first, and then we're going to do some montages. We're going to do different days and kind of explain how everything's gonna go, and yeah, so let's get in. Okay, so we're in the new office. So the front is pretty small. It's I think half the size of the old one, so we're not gonna focus on the retail shop as much. I'm gonna try to focus more as a lifestyle location so we can take photos, people can come and hang out, do planning and stuff like that. So that's the first area. Then we have 2 rooms here. As mentioned, we have a lot more rooms now, so that's super exciting. And we have a bigger office for me, which is going to be also turned into the marketing space. So we have a new desk for the Poi Hun photo area where you see all the photos usually. And then hopefully either here we'll have social media staff here, or we'll turn this into like a seating area, and then my desk will be over here. So it depends what I decide at the end. The photo area will be either here or in here. We'll see which one's better. And then in the second space we have is here. This one's gonna be for our spiral planner stuff. So all the loose papers will be in here, so it's better than in the warehouse. At least there's like keep the temperature control here. I'm still figuring out how I want to organize this area, so we just brought in some of the tables for now, so we'll see about that. And then we'll come back out here. So there's 1 bathroom instead of 2, which is fine, but it's going to be hard to adjust. We have this pantry area, so the doors can close so that Mr. Poi's business will have 2 rooms now, and then they can do their own thing and not be disruptive. And then the pantry area is going to be all together. It's not going to be hidden in a corner like before. So that's really good. And then last but not least, we have is the warehouse. So it's a little bit smaller. I do have dividers here. It's going to be like a candle station for Mr. Poi. And then we have the rest of this area, which will be utilized a lot better than the other space. So I'm excited for that. Mr. Poi will eventually move out of here sometime in 2023, so we can have more space for production and stuff like that, which I haven't decided yet. But I feel like more office space is good, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, that's like a mini tour of this space. Hello, happy Friday. Hello, happy Friday. So today I'm sharing a little update. So last 2 days we slowly moved away all these boxes because they were easier to move. And in the weekend, tomorrow, we'll be moving the really big rack. And yeah, so slowly moving things over. Today we'll also be moving all the wired shelves, the things we use to pick orders with, so I'll show a montage of that a bit later. I also brought in a lot of our spiral stuff over. I'm still deciding on how to kind of organize the space because the room is not too big, but it's not too it's kind of small, so try to figure out how is the best way to do it, because I don't want to move things around. Just want to do it once because these things can be really heavy, but that's where we're at right now.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear? Oh, back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a birdsong beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet, so I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater.
Hello, happy Saturday. So today is a big day. I have no makeup on. I am in my cozy clothes because it is really cold today. Today we're mainly moving Mr. Poi, the hubby's business stuff. So they have a lot of tables for his employees. We have to move the really big stuff, and then everything else can be slowly moved because we have around a month to do that. So I'll show you behind the scenes of that. You saw some behind the scenes of yesterday when we moved most of the racks so that on Tuesday or Monday we can be fully functional with doing orders, because we don't want to stop that at all, and everything else we can just slowly move. But yeah, so today's going to be the last part of this vlog, and I'll obviously do a better tour and stuff like that in the future, and update you along as we go, so that'll be another vlog for that. But mainly this vlog is kind of seeing behind the scenes of a little bit of moving, and luckily we have the space so we don't have to move everything all at once, and we can just slowly clean things up, pack things up, throw things away that we don't need, that we've been hoarding for a while, and stuff like that. So yeah, so thanks for being in here.
Goodbye to summer. I keep on forgetting, times learn how to fly, and before I know it, it passes me by. Oh, I don't know why when life is beautiful I start to fear it'll slip through my fingers and just disappear. Oh, back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist, and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cold wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a birdsong beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet, so I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer.
So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to follow to see more Poi Hun stuff and see what we're gonna do. Later on, I'll probably do another vlog before the end of this year, and then obviously in 2023 we'll have a lot more things happening. Hopefully we'll have a Poi Hun YouTube channel, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I do a lot of desk setups, my own home office stuff, but we also share a lot of like Poi Hun stuff because it's my business and it's kind of like what I do every day. So make sure to follow, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!